If you're a BMW owner and you've encountered the fault code P219, you're likely dealing with a frustrating issue related to the air-fuel mixture. This code indicates that the engine control module has detected a lean condition in bank 1, meaning there's too much air and not enough fuel. This can lead to poor performance, increased emissions, and even potential engine damage if left unchecked. To tackle this, start by checking for vacuum leaks in hoses or gaskets, as these can disrupt the air-fuel balance. Next, inspect the mass airflow sensor. A dirty or faulty sensor can send incorrect readings to the engine control unit. Don't overlook the fuel injectors either. Clogged injectors can restrict fuel flow, exacerbating the lean condition. If you've checked these components and the issue persists, consider testing the oxygen sensors. A malfunctioning sensor can mislead the engine management system, causing it to adjust the fuel mixture incorrectly. After addressing these areas, clear the fault code and take your BMW for a test drive. Monitor the performance and see if the code reappears. Understanding and fixing P219 can restore your BMW's performance and ensure a smooth driving experience.